So, guys, I just wanted to go over what we were talking about last time, which is kind of changing our stance a little bit to affect how the ball is shaped. So, the reason we change our stance essentially is to affect how the club path comes in, right? So if I have a closed stance like this, typically I'm going to be swinging out here to the right, right? So if I have an open stance, a lot of times I'm swinging across my body to the left. And then it's just a matter of figuring out how the club is faced, or where it's faced, when it makes contact with the ball. So, in a perfect situation, if you were to make contact perfectly straight, perfectly behind, with a 90-degree impact, right? 0 degrees offline, it would go perfectly straight with perfect backspin, right?
Right.
So, ideally, we try. So, to hit a draw, typically you're coming from the inside, which is why we would close our stance to hit a draw, right? We close our stance like this, and aim to the right, and then we make sure that club face is facing to the left when we hit it. So if my club is coming to the right of the target, and the club face is aimed at the target, the ball starts to the right and spins to the left, right? Conversely, if you do it the other way, and you're coming across the ball this way, with an open club face, the ball will start to the left and move to the right based on the spin of the golf ball. Now, not only can you analyze going inside to out or across the ball, but you can also analyze angle of impact. So if we have a really shallow angle of impact, right, it's going to affect the ball differently than if we have a really steep impact, right? Much steeper impact throws that ball a lot higher in the air. Shallower impact typically is going to start that ball a little bit lower, a little more ball speed. So when you're hitting the ball and using that technique of, hey, do I close my stance or do I open my stance, or if I'm hitting a slice or a draw, you can kind of self-analyze what's going on and use those ideas and those laws of physics to help your game. So I would just encourage you guys to take that step to the golf course, analyze your own game, and use that to your advantage.